Great morning, student. Welcome to the school. Now, today we are going to discuss our chapter number 3, working with tables. In this chapter, we are already discussed what is a table and how to create table. Now, today we are going to discuss modifying the table, means how can we change in a table. That thing we are going to discuss. After that, मीन्स मॉडिफाई में आप क्या क्या चेंज कर सकते हो. आप उसको रिसाइज कर सकते हो, उसका कलर चेंज कर सकते हो, इंसर्ट कॉलम कर सकते हो, इंसर्ट रो कर सकते हो, इंसर्ट विथ below, above, left, right, everything we are going to discuss in our modifying table. Formatting a tables means how can you format, how can you design in your table. Now, changing column width means how can we specify the width of the column. That thing we are going to discuss in this point. And now, splitting cells means ड्राइविंग सेल मीन्स एक सेल को कई पार्ट में डिवाइडेड करना. दैट इज़ द स्प्लिटिंग सेल. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन दिस वीडियो. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मर्जिंग सेल मीन्स combine all the cell in a one cell. That is the merging cell. So student, let's see the video. Modifying a table. In this video we are going to discuss modifying table. After entering data in a table, you can make change in the data as needed. You can insert row, column or cell in a table to accommodate new content. Similarly, you can delete unwanted row, column or cell from the table. Unwanted means कि जिसकी हमें नीड नहीं है. Resizing table means साइज को आप इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर सकते हो. You can increase or decrease the size of table manually by using table resize handle. But Word also offer ready-made solution to resize table. Resizing of a table can be done by AutoFit option that offer the flexibility to automatically resize the column width based on the different criteria. You can set the table width based on the window size or convert it back to use fixed column width. Okay, so click on the drop down arrow of AutoFit button in the cell size group in the layout tab. It will display following three options. First is AutoFit content, AutoFit width, AutoFit column. AutoFit content, it adjusts the column width according to the data entry. AutoFit window, selecting this option will adjust the table according to the margining set on the window. Fixed column width, the column width gets fixed and the text is wrapped in the same cell. Now, some tips. When you click on the table, you notice plus sign at the upper left corner. This is called table move handle, which is used to move the table. मीन्स आपको टेबल को लेफ़्ट राइट में कर सकते हो इस हैंडल से. द स्मॉल होलो स्क्वेयर एट द बॉटम राइट कॉर्नर ऑफ द टेबल इज कॉल्ड टेबल रिसाइज हैंडल. मीन्स टेबल को कम आप इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर सकते हो. दिस हैंडल यूज टू रिसाइज द टेबल. Modifying a table, inserting column row in a table. मीन्स आप उसमें रो और कॉलम को इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. While creating the making entry in a table, You might need to add column row in between. Word provides the facility to add new column to right or left of any existing column and insert row above and below the selected row. मीन्स आप ऊपर नीचे लेफ्ट और राइट में इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. टू ऐड अ न्यू कॉलम सेलेक्ट द कॉलम बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन इट्स टॉप बॉर्डर adjacent which you want to insert a new column. The table tool tab appear on the ribbon. Click on the layout tab under it. Select either the insert left or insert right button in the row and column group. An empty column get inserted in the table as per the choose option you see in this screen. Similarly, select the row and then click either on insert above or insert below button in the row column group on the layout tab to insert a new row. सेम वही ऑप्शन फॉलो करना है, उससे ही हम अपर और लो साइड में कर सकते हैं. डिलीटिंग रो एंड कॉलम मीन्स सेलेक्ट द रो एंड डिलीट. क्लिक इन द लेआउट टैब अंडर द टेबल मेन्यू. सेलेक्ट द डिलीट बटन इन द रो एंड कॉलम ग्रुप. लिस्ट ऑफ द ऑप्शन अपीयर. चूज द डिलीट रो एंड डिलीट कॉलम ऑप्शन इन द ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू. Right click on the selected row and column that you want to delete and select the delete row and column option from the shortcut menu. Now quick view. Press shift plus delete key combination to delete the selected row and column from the table. Formatting a table. Formatting control over the appearance of a table. After creating a table, you can format the entire table by using table style option. Table style is inbuilt facility to change the appearance, color, border of the table. Click in the table that you want to format. Under the table tool, click on the design tab. Select the design style from the table style group. Now you can also get more style option from your table clicking by more drop down arrow table style gallery which you want, then you can apply. We can add a row and column in a table by clicking on the plus sign which appear when the place mouse or pointer over the inserting between the column. Changing column width. Column width, you can resize the column width either by using option available on the layout tab by using mouse pointer. Select the column whose width you want to change. Click on the layout tab. Select the property button in the table group. The table property dialog box will be appear. Click on the column. Select the preference width checkbox. Now increase or decrease column width either by using spin arrow or type the specific value. Click OK. Similarly, you can change the row height by selecting the row tab in the table property dialog box. You can increase and decrease size and click OK. Now your table row will be in height width will be. Splitting cell. Splitting cell means dividing the cell. To split a cell, follow this step. Select the cell that you want to split. Click on the layout tab. Select the split cell button from merge group. The split dialog box will be appear. Define the number of row and column in the respective spin box which you want to split and selected cell. Click OK. Now your cell will be splitted. Merging cell. Merging, sometimes data is splitted in numerous segments of a cell that you want to combine it, then you use a merge option. Merging is a cell provide a way to consolidate cell. Select the cell which you want to merge. Click on layout button. Select the merge group. the data get merged into a single cell. Thank you, student. I hope you understand all things.